If you've lost access to your Western and Southern account and don't have your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the website. Go to the official Western and Southern website. Look for the login section and click on the Forgot Password or Need Help link to start the recovery process. Step 2. Provide your information. Enter the required information, such as your email address or username associated with your account. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid any delays in the recovery process. Step 3. Choose recovery options. Since you don't have access to your phone number, look for alternative recovery options. This may include answering security questions or receiving a verification email to your registered email address. Step 4. Follow email instructions. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Update your account information. Once you regain access, consider updating your account information. Add a new phone number or enable two-factor authentication to enhance your account security for the future. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Western and Southern account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.